You hear it, don't you? Where is it? What's going on up there? Egrets. Egrets. And a hawk. I do not know if they're chasing each other. I don't know what the hell's going on. Did you see all that? Was that cool or what? I just heard the hawk. I came out. I hope I got some of it. I was looking through, but I don't have my glasses. Look there. What's that? Don't have my glasses on, guys. I'm pointing. I'm hoping for the best. I don't know what that is. That looks like one of the egrets. He's lost. Hear him peeping, peeping, peeping. I don't know what that is, but hey, Ted, come on. I'm freezing, guys and gals. It's wet and damp after hurricane. Come on. Come on. I'm going to pause. I hope we got a good video out of that one, guys and gals. You shitting me? No, I was going to say. I don't have my glasses on, so the square looks like a circle sometimes. That's what's another one of the problems I have, being blind. I can't always tell whether I'm recording because I can't see anything on screen. This little girl wants a peanut. I'm pretty sure she wants a peanut. Good morning. This is my little girl. Here you go, honey. You okay? You want it on the tree or you want it down here? There you go. Get used to her getting on the deck. We'll bring you another one. Taking it home? Take it home. Look above. Look up. Take it home. Look above. Look up. Ah, shit. I hope you saw him through the trees. It's nothing I can always bring to you. That was a flash of white birds. I hope you saw it. That's the second time one of them little squirrels ran up the tree. And I looked up and something good was happening. I hope I got it. It was like a flash. You don't get much time sometimes. I have to get myself some Google glasses so everything I see, y'all can see. Whoop, 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 whoop. How about I give you a pecan? You want a pecan this time? Here, get the pecan. It's a big pecan. Are you the same mama or are you a different one? It's a big pecan. Are you shy, mama? It's a big pecan. Can you get it? I'll give you a peanut if you can't handle it. That is a good one. I've been wanting to see where Shy Mama goes. Is it good? Probably right to the back. Yeah, they're all coming from the back. I don't know what's going on. Everybody living in the backyard now. All right, guys and gals. I'm feeding pecans and peanuts and had a little bit of action with the hawk. Very small. We'll post it all in the morning video. What you got there is a sunrise in Squirrelhood. Can you see it? Do you want to see it? All right, guys and gals. Somebody's peeping at one of these cardinals. Well, who are you? Would you like a peanut or are you too shy? You too shy for a peanut? Take one. There you go, Mama. I'll touch the tree. Come here. We almost had her. My computer phone says it's full. I was hoping we caught that. That's the very young girl. Anyway, when I push this button, we're going to close. And I'm going to go in because my phone says full. Hope I got that.